Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a controller not working in Highguard on PC. If your gamepad isn't being detected or isn't responding in-game, follow these solutions step by step and one of them should fix the issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Find Highguard, then right-click on it and select Properties. On the left side, click on the Controller tab. Look for Override for Highguard. From the drop-down menu, select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and test your controller. If the controller still doesn't work, go back to the same menu and change Override for Highguard to disable Steam Input instead. Launch the game again and check if the controller works this time. Solution 2. If Solution 1 didn't work, stay in Steam. Click on Steam in the top left corner, then select Settings. Go to the Controller section. Find External Gamepad Settings. Here, only enable the options that match the controller you're using. If you're using an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. If that doesn't work, try disabling it instead. If you're using a PlayStation controller, look for PlayStation controller support. Try setting it to Not Enabled first. If that doesn't work, select Enabling Games Without Support. You can do the same for Nintendo Switch controllers or generic controllers. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver from this menu if you're using an Xbox controller. After making changes, restart Steam and test the game again. Solution 3. Next, open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Find your gamepad in the list. Right-click on it and select Disable Device. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and select Enable Device. Now launch Highguard and check if the controller is working. Solution 4. If the controller still isn't working, go back to Device Manager. Right-click your gamepad and select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your gamepad driver and click Next. Wait for the driver to install. Once it's finished, launch Highguard and test your controller again. After following these steps, your controller should now work properly in Highguard. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.